Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Detective Litty. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. This incident takes us to Tampa International Airport on the night of April 16, 2023, after officers are called to Gate 24 for reports of a woman repeatedly pacing through the waiting area and displaying increasingly erratic behavior. As officers work to figure out what's happening, the encounter quickly becomes more challenging than the initial dispatch suggested. The breakdown starts now.
Ma'am, don't please.
What are you?
Do not come
Don't touch that.
Leave me alone.
Okay.
No, I am not stopping. You will back the f away from me.
You need to settle down so we can talk.
I'm sorry, baby.
The officer is trying to establish communication and figure out what's driving her behavior, but without cooperation, it's difficult to assess what's really going on. Before making any decisions, officers typically try to gain voluntary compliance so they can safely control the encounter while gathering the information they need.
No. I am getting away from the people.
Over there.
Sorry, baby.
Over there.
No, leave me
Okay.
alone.
Ready? Okay.
Touch me. Do not touch me.
Yeah.
No.
Till.
Do not touch me.
She's still refusing to cooperate, and that limits the officer's ability to determine whether this is simply non-compliance or something that could pose a safety concern. At this stage, the priority remains slowing the situation down and creating an opportunity for voluntary compliance before considering other options.
Do not come near me.
Excuse us.
Do not come near me.
Excuse us.
Do
Sorry.
not come near me. Do not
Ma'am.
come near me.
All right, you need to
My
settle
hands
down.
are up.
You need
Don't
to settle.
touch me.
You need to settle down.
Don't touch me.
You need to settle
No,
down.
I will not.
Yes.
You will back
Yes,
up.
you will.
You will back up.
She's still refusing to cooperate, and with every missed opportunity to comply, the officers have fewer options to resolve this through conversation alone. Watch how they begin closing the distance. They're preparing to safely control the situation before her behavior becomes even more unpredictable.
She's got a pen in her hand.
No, get off of me. Get off.
Get down on the ground.
Get
Down the pen. Get down the pen.
Get off of me.
Settle down.
off. Woo! Get the fuck. No.
Once officers move in to take control, active resistance changes the encounter immediately. Their focus shifts from gaining cooperation to safely controlling her movements as quickly as possible, reducing the risk of injury to everyone involved while bringing the situation under control.
Get off of me! Get off! Get off! Get off! No! No!
Stop biting me.
Stop! No! Please stop!
Roll on your stomach.
No! Get off of me! Get off of me!
She's continuing to resist, forcing officers to divide their attention between maintaining control and safely applying restraints. The longer active resistance continues, the more difficult it becomes to end the encounter without increasing the risk of injury.
No!
Which side do you want to roll?
No!
We gotta pick the side.
Stop! Get off of me!
Stop it.
No!
Stop.
Somebody help me!
With the handcuffs secured, the immediate struggle is under control, but the officer's job isn't finished. Transitioning her into a transport chair is a practical safety measure that helps move her securely while reducing the chance of another physical confrontation during transport.
All right, we're
Little
gonna.
lady, we're gonna sit you up.
Please don't call me little lady.
Okay.
Okay, well, you help us with your legs, okay?
Is this your shoe over here too?
All right, sit down in the
Sit in the
wheelchair.
chair first.
I don't wish to sit in
We want you to sit down. You to sit down, please.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Please, please. Come on, sit down. Sit down. Please sit down. Please just sit down.
The incident ended with the woman being taken into custody after officers gained control of the situation and completed the arrest. According to the case information, she was charged with disorderly conduct, battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest with violence, and resisting arrest without violence. Once voluntary cooperation was no longer an option, the officers shifted their focus to safely controlling the situation and completing the arrest. That transition is a standard part of managing an encounter when active resistance continues. What are your thoughts on how the officers handled this incident? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, that's the end of today's breakdown. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, how do you think this situation went down? Did the officers handle it the right way, or would you have done something differently? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Bodycam breakdown.